Hello everyone, welcome to the howto.org channel. To convert an Excel file to PDF, the first thing we will do is write in the address bar, xlstopdf.com. Here, we will click on Upload and we must find the file we want to convert. It's here, we click to select and then click on Open. Here it will start to convert, the time depends on the weight of the file and the speed of the internet. To download the final file, we must click on Free Download. We open the download and see that now our Excel file is a PDF. Another way to put the files here, is having opened the folder with the Excel file and click on the file, then without releasing the mouse, drag it to the website, there we drop. Again, the conversion of the format will start and we will be able to download it. Thank you for watching our video, we hope it helped you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the bell to receive notifications of new videos.